So there's going to be 2 pins like this right here. You're going to punch those out. First, you're going to take your trigger, this guy, and this guy out. Then you're going to pull out your trigger. You don't need pliers, but can make it easier. So sometimes it comes out all at once, sometimes just this part comes out. And you're gonna pick out the other parts. Okay. So then you're gonna have all these parts out, all of those. So then you're going to get your new valve cap. So you're gonna get all 3 of those pieces, and you're going to take the spring and the pin out from this plastic top piece and put it onto this new one. But first off, you're going to need your O-rings. Let me try to get this set up here. So you're gonna get your O-rings. Okay. And then the big guy goes on to here, top, just like so. And then your smaller, bigger guy is gonna go on the bottom. And that's it for that guy. I'm gonna set that down. Every one of these old pieces, and just throw away because they're dirty and they're probably broken and not good. And then you're going to put on your 2 very small O-rings onto here. And then put one on, and then the same exact O-ring just goes on under that. Just kind of, just like so. Just like that. And then one last O-ring right on the top of here. So it should be like that. Then put that in that, just like that. And then put your spring on in there. And put your top piece on. And then close her up. And then once you put it together, just put some oil on it and then put her back in.